Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic in Dutch. They call a cipher block in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of the weekend edition of Sunday, May the 18th, May the 19th, 2024. It's actually today, Monday, May the 21st. No, the 20th, yeah, the 20th. It's today with Monday, so we have no newspaper, and I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the jigsaw Sudoku number 8571. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be not a 1 star, but a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes to solve. It's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, but it's indicated with 1 star. All right, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about duo boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so those two boxes should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. All right. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? See only one quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. All right. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. The T shape, rotated, only one. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And the last shape, I believe the L shape, mirrored. Let me place it here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. 5 shapes, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be there. Well, we have a 2 there. So the only place left of 2 in this area is supposed to be here then. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left of 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 5 is also connected with that box, should be a 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 5 is connected with that box, should be also a 5 is also connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then, let me see. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here is connected with that box, should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes there and is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround with 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5, 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be A1, that box can be A1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here then. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4 is also connected with that box. 3 and 4. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. Wow. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 2 should be here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot. Then this box should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 in the same area, so not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left the 2 should be here then. Okay, I think this box will be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4, is connected with that box should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there, and 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well. Finished in 10 minutes. Told you, should be a 0 stars. And faster than 15 minutes, 14 minutes, 0 stars. So I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Whit Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. So, new puzzles, new week. So, until then, bye-bye for now.